This is the TCL C6K, in this case the 55-inch size. This is the most complete, short and objective review you can get about this smart TV. The first thing you should know is that it has an LCD screen, and inside it you will find two important aspects. The first one will be the pixel configuration, which is vertical alignment, which means VA panel, although TCL prefer to call this HVA panel. And the second important aspect will be the color technology, which is quantum dots. The HVA panel allows for slightly better viewing angles compared to a TV with a conventional VA panel, although the results are not as impressive as advertised on the website. Additionally, the HVA panel, along with the mini LED backlighting technology, allows this TV to show a good performance in dark scenes. The amount of the blooming effect is not annoying, and here you should know that the performance will be even better in larger sizes, since they will have more dimming zones due to the greater number of mini LED lights. It's also good to know that the brightness levels will be higher in larger sizes of this model, and these brightness levels vary according to each picture mode. And the brightness levels I'm showing you right now are taking as an example the movie picture mode. It's also important to know that this model is compatible with the IMAX picture mode, which can be selected when the content has high dynamic range. This TV is also compatible with Dolby Vision, including Dolby Vision IQ Picture Mode, which provides more brightness and less loss of the brightness with every change of every scene. Image upscaling is good. Just remember that if the content has low resolution, don't expect the result to be displayed in 4K. That will never happen. Gray uniformity is decent with little dirty screen effect, which will be practically imperceptible when viewing content with higher color volume. Motion handling in general is very good, applying a lot of smoothness, reducing a lot judder and blur in case you need it, and the artifacts you will perceive are not annoying. For the gaming area, you need to know this TV supports 120Hz and 144Hz in 4K, along with variable refresh rate technologies on two of its HDMI ports. This game bar offers some useful features, including switching between these three picture modes for greater variety. Input lag times are generally more than adequate for almost anyone. This model's response time and performance in gaming are among the best you can get in 2025 and even for years to come. In terms of inputs, this TV is very complete, offering a total of 4 HDMI 2.1 ports. Talking about the smart area, this is the remote control. It's kind of large, but it seems ergonomic and has good key placement. The operating system is Android TV based on Android 12 with Google TV as a customization layer, with good overall hardware that allows for good fluency or smoothness of the operating system and offers good storage for apps. You can of course install APK files externally if necessary. You can activate the multi-visual function if you need it. You can also access to the ambient mode feature. You can access the voice assistant either by pressing the microphone button on the remote control or through the hands-free voice control function. Finally, you need to know this TV's speaker system is outstanding. You will get good power and clarity and sharpness. In fact, in many cases, you may not need a soundbar. Without further to add, thank you for watching this video. Remind you guys you can support my channel by making some purchases through the links I put in the description and in the first comment. Also click the like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and until next time.